Hello, WordPress website creators. I completed setting up this simple and professional website in just 5 minutes. Further, the content can be added on the setup and website can be launched. I used a very professional, responsive, multi-purpose WordPress theme called Movedo, and this theme is going to be a very good choice when you are targeting a professional, simple, and effective website. So in this video, I'm going to give you complete insight about the Movedo WordPress theme. And after watching this complete video, you will be able to start creating a website using this theme, and you can get multiple pre-made layouts, pre-made website with the Movedo WordPress theme, and these are some layouts. So the look and feel may be super simple, but when you are going to use the theme, the customization options and all the features are very professional, and this is why this theme has already got a very good number of sales, good number of reviews, very good reviews from its existing users, and it can be bought at themeforest.net through the video description link. But you need to watch this complete video to make your buying decision. Furthermore, you have hundreds of videos on the WP Themes website. I'm going to add all the relevant links in the video description. Here you can compare multiple themes, plugins, and how-to guides are here for you for your WordPress website, for your dream launch of your business website. Okay, so the main focus is Movedo, and it offers multiple pre-made layouts. There are many cases the website can be created with the Movedo, like the creative studio, the creative agency, the corporate agency, or the lawyers or web hosting. So since it is a multi-purpose website, you can target any type of website using this theme, and it presents multiple and awesome demos that you can directly use, including the inner pages, right? So I am going to give you the insight what I got in this installation. First of all, I'll also show you the installation steps. So this is the backend of this installation, and I selected this layout. This is the layout from the theme developers, and this is my installation. So both are same, of course. So I completed the setup without any trouble. Right. So this is the backend, and in the backend we have some new navigations. And first of all, I'll show you the pages that I got after this installation. And here are 9 pages, very clear and crisp. And if we talk about the media included with the demo, so we can go to the media here, and I can show you media library. So I got mm, okay, so very filtered image, so there is no cluttering here. So this is very important when you are importing demo content at your WordPress installation. It should not be cluttered with unused images at your hosting, and that is going to consume your hosting space. Even the images that is unused can be hot linked or anyways. So if you are not using any content at your website, why it should be on your installation? So this is very logical thing. This is very technical thing that you have to consider when you are targeting a successful and professional website. So it is uncluttered installation with the Movedo. And when we talk about the this welcome page and the other features that is available, so this is theme welcome page, and you can go for live tutorials, video tutorials, or the support system. The status can be seen, and the installation status means the hosting status and all. So this is another information page. Custom sidebars can be controlled using these options like custom sidebar or demo sidebar, what has been used in the website. Import demo option is here that I use for importing the demo. Here you can choose to import either the partial or the full import depending upon your requirements. Since it is a new installation, you can go for import demo and full import options. So import demos options gives us all the steps that we can simply follow and import the demo content. Further, we have, if we talk about the theme options, so it is again going to be super easy. So this theme had been made in a view that novice users, simple users can use this theme for launching their website. So this is the theme options, and in the theme option, I have the general settings where we can set the theme layout, the container size, and all such basic things. Logos, top bar options, header options like sticky headers, responsive header options, hidden menu options, and save button area option. Right. So the bottom and footer area blog options. There are multiple page options like we can set the page layout, page sidebar, fixed sidebar, and the styling area, visibility, and the page sliding area sidebar as well. Okay, so the responsive typography options, the responsive first group is also here. So it is all for setting up the core and basic things, how you are going to present your website on the multiple devices. And okay, so second group is here CSS, JS options, the style options that you can directly choose. Like you can choose the skin preset colors. So it if color is concerned about the layout, the map options, the 404. There are some miscellaneous setting where you can set logo as text and default WordPress tag cloud. You can use the logo custom link builder is also here. So it is all good. And further, we have the login settings, the button settings area. So you can choose how you are to show your buttons. So the buttons at the website. And in the portfolio options, we have slug and the portfolio layout. Similarly, we have WooCommerce option, event calendar options, the BB Press have the typography options. All these great options can be easily accessed through the theme option panel, and it is all going to help you whatever the option you are going to use at your website. Okay. Uh, Okay. So the next is the post and the portfolio items are here and the testimonial items. Just you can use these sections, these navigations for editing the content at your website. Like if you are using testimonials, it can be edited portfolio. Similarly, the area items is again here in sections and the elements like basic footer had been used. So you can edit the basic footer. So you might be wondering which page builder it is using for customizing options. So I must show you the plugin list first so that you may get an idea why this theme became so super and so easy for creating website. It is basically, as I understand, it is using the block editor. And when we talk about the customization options, the layout editing options. So if you are proceeding to edit the page contents, you just need to use the WP Bakery page builder, which is most advanced page builder. Yes, you might be thinking about Elementor. I'm not saying Elementor is not good or WP Bakery is more good. In my opinion, the WP Bakery is going to give you more stable website, and this is how you are going to. So block editor means the page builder are here, but I'm not saying it is going to work without any page builder. So you definitely need WP themes. I mean WP Bakery. So all the plugins have been provided in the theme bundle. So like WP Bakery page builder is here, WooCommerce and the Movedo extension, dummy importer, and all such plugins are here. Right. So editing the content with the WP Bakery is more convenient in my opinion, and you can see the hover items. So you can simply edit the content, just hover on the area that you want to edit. You can add and remove the content as well. And moreover, you can go to the backend editor that can be more helpful when you are targeting to add or remove areas on the website. And just for editing the content, you can use the front end editor. So it is totally up to you how you are going to proceed for customization. And this option is really very good uh, with the WP Bakery to customize your page contents. So I was talking about the navigations further. So editing option with the WP Bakery has been given, and which is going to give you a stable and full functional website. Right. So HubSpot is also here just in case if you are targeting to use your business with the HubSpot CRM is can be interlinked directly here. WooCommerce gives you options to sell the products online, and it is already integrated. WooCommerce is integrated with the theme. So if you are targeting an e-commerce website, you can go for the e-commerce activities with the theme. Like next thing that I wish to show you the Movedo demos that you can opt to have. So I'll show you how you are going to import the demo when I'll show you the installation steps. So it is all good, and the slider revolution is the next part where you are going to edit the hero area content, the slider part of this website installation when it is being used at your website. But yes, it has been provided. So the options are very simple, clear and crisp, and you are going to get a very flexible, easy to customize website with the theme. Now, thing is that how to install the theme and how you can proceed. So after installing the theme, you can definitely proceed for content customization and the website customization. And I'll show you the steps how you can install the theme. So generally, I used to show installation at the first and second minute of the videos that in which I am reviewing the themes. But since I have already installed the theme with the content, so I shown you the inside first. Now I'm going to reset this website. Okay. And this activity, the reset activity is not for you. I'm just showing you the that I am using WP Reset. This is only and very effective plugin if you are targeting to reset your website due to any reason. If you want to reset and for reinstallation or for debugging or the reason if you want to reinstall the theme. Okay, so WP Reset is an additional plugin that I am using. It is not included. Okay, so now the website is completely zero. There is even no basic theme. Core theme is not also here. 2025 I am installing, and after resetting and installing the core theme, this website is like this. So I'm going to show you the simple and easy installation steps how you can proceed for Movedo. The first thing, of course, you need to buy the theme at the themeforest.net through the video description link. Why it is important to buy the theme through the video description link? So this is the only place, the themeforest.net, where you can buy this theme. The description link is actually an affiliate link, and this gives all the things like at the theme forest you will get the theme pack with the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6 month support from the um, theme developer who are original developer are Gravities, and they are 8 author at theme forest. In addition to this, when you are following the link, you are going to get a free access on the I Create support program. This is a mentorship program. If you are a regular visitor of this channel, you might be knowing about this program where you can get all the supports from a mentor regarding WordPress website. It is free for you, right? Okay, so let us come back, and now I'm going to install the theme, and I'll return to the dashboard, and I'm going to close this as well. So in the dashboard, in the theme pack, what I got. So in the theme pack, this is installable theme file, 16.6 MB inside. The child theme is also included. WP Bakery is here. So the code carrying WP Bakery is included. The Revolution Cider is also included. So we are going to use this installable file for our installation purpose. Installation is going to be simple. You can simply add new theme under appearance menu, upload the installable theme file. Just select the movedo.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder. Once installed, simply activate the theme. And after activation, we are here at welcome page, and here the alert shows us we need to install the all set of plugins. So 8 plugins we need to install for full functioning with this theme, and I'm going to select all. So these 2 are required, rest are recommended, but to get all the features, all the optimal features, you can simply install all the listed plugins. So it is going to be complete in a single click. I selected all and selected install, clicked on apply. So it is installing the plugin listed here. Wonderful. So you can see all green marks, simple indication that all the plugins have been successfully installed without any error, without any trouble, and it happened in just few seconds. So I'm selecting all again. This time I am selecting activate and activating all the installed plugins. This is not a technical step. You if you don't know any specific skill about the website development, you can go with this theme. You can go with WordPress, and WordPress is a platform where you can target everything for your business website. Okay, good. So as we can see now, all is here, and we are fine to proceed for demo import. Meanwhile, I'll show you a look how the website is looking with the basic theme. Okay, so this is super fast website, of course, and here we have the welcome of startup revolution, and I'm coming back to go for the next steps. So the next step is of course the demo import and the Movedo theme option import demos. So import demos gives us option to choose what we want. Please note the following points so you can read this, but I'm directly proceeding. Choose a demo. So the main demo or the corporate demo. So in the earlier installation, I selected Movedo corporate demo. This time I'll show you the uh, main demo. However, you have all the choices. You can go for a small store, the creative agencies, the freelancer, the constructions and all. So all choices is exactly for you. You can choose any of these pre-made demos. So for illustration purposes, we can go with this, and I'm going to preview demo, expose demo, in fact, and at next screen, we have option what we want to import. Import on demand is the option that you can choose when you are willing to import the selected things only, like selected pages, portfolio items, posts, products, and all. And you can even choose to choose to install the complete. You can select multiple links. Okay, so these are some instructions. But for a fresh installation, you can go for complete and full demo import. So I'm going with full import, and this is the next screen where we just need to spend some time. And okay, so it is my bad. I skipped selected what we actually going to import in the full demo event. So we have to select dummy content, the theme options, widgets, and download images from. So you need to select even you are choosing the full import. So just select this and go ahead. Okay, so this screen needs your attention, your patience, because it is connected to developer server and bringing all the demo content here, and you should not disturb the process until you are getting any message on this screen. And within just few seconds, my import is completed and my setup is complete again. So it been so simple, so easy, and you can go ahead with this. And these are very simple steps. And just in case if you have any question, you can simply write in the comments below or get directly in touch with a mentor, and you'll be fine to start setting up your website, start creating your website, professional website, of course, with the Movedo WordPress theme. I got some additional image this time. Okay, so Movedo that we overviewed in this video, and in the next video I'm coming with more helpful resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, and don't miss to watch regular videos on this channel. Thank you.